Hi friends, in this video we are going to see, can you see the pattern? Chapter 7, class 5 maths, question and answer. First question, here you can see the diamond. It is placed up, down, up, down, up, down position. Now you can see the second case. It is just like a quarter turn, that is a 45-degree turn. Again it is a 45-degree turn, so you can complete the pattern. Now use these rules to make a pattern with this flower. How we are going to use this flower to make this pattern, like how the diamond they kept it here, the flower upward then downward, that means it is half turn, or we can say 180 degree. So up down up down up down, like that the rules we are placing the flowers. Second is 45 degree, we are rotating the flower to 45 degree, otherwise we can say it is a quarter turn. So flower up, then it is sleeping position, then down, again it is sleeping position. So in this way we are arranging the flower in pattern. Now question number 2, what should come next in this pattern? Now you see the circle, and one side it is yellow color and another side, half of the side it is in red color. Now how the circle is rotating, you can see it is rotate like this, and you can see the quarter turn, it is 1/4 turn, we can say. Again it is 1/4 turn, it is rotating like this. Then what will come next in this? You can find it will come like this. Then the same pattern we can do. Now you see N. Next it is in, it become Z when it is a turn 45 degree, then 45 degree. Again how it will come? N, Z, N, Z, N. This pattern we can extend, or we can complete the pattern in this way. Now you see the triangle pattern. The answer you can find down, how these triangles are repeating. So you can find 1, 2, 3 as it is. The third, when it is rotating like this, it is coming to rotate in this way. So next position, this dot you can find, locate the dot, and it comes in this way. So you can extend the pattern in this triangle pattern. Now another one pattern is given, one circle, inside you can see one diamond. So circle 1, 2, 3, 3, 4 position, or the next what it will come. Here you can find the result. So the patterns, pattern is nothing, something is repeating again and again. That only we are doing here. Now you see the pattern F. It is a 45 degree. Each turning is 45 degree. So the rule followed in this pattern 45 degree. Here the options are given, whether this one will come or second or third. First for F, then it is 45 degree, again 45, so it will become quarter turn, again 45 degree, it is become like this. Tick the right one. So which one will come afterwards? It will come. This is the correct answer. So following the pattern, the next figure will be like this. Following this pattern, the next figure will be like this. Using the same rule, take it forward till you get back to what you started. So you can see that L again it is 45 degree. Now again 45 degree, it is turning 45, 45. So it become like this. You can extend the pattern in this way. P. Now 45 degree turning, again 45 degree, again 45, 45, 45, then it will become the original position till it comes to original. Question number 5, some patterns are given below on the left side of the red line. The left side you can find the sum pattern. For each pattern, write the rule, then select what comes next from the right side of the line and put a tick mark. Here is the rule. What rule is it is followed here? Tan by 45 degree. it is turned by 45 degree. First picture turn 45 degree, it will come like this, again 45 degree. So the rule followed is 45 degree turn. It is 45 degree turn. So from these two, which one is the answer? Second one will be the answer. The next B, here certain patterns are given. The rule followed in this pattern, you can see it is 90 degree. 90 degree turn we can say. So what will be the answer? The second will be the answer. Third one, again it is 90 degree turn. 90 degree turn. So the rule followed here 90 degree. So what is the answer for this pattern? The first one is the answer. Now D, last one in this. What rule followed? Turn by 90 degree. The each pattern is turn into 90 degree. 90 degree when it is turning, it will come like this. Then 90, 90, 90. So what will be the answer? The first one will be the answer. Look for a pattern. Mark the picture which is breaking the rule. Also correct it. One is breaking the rule in this pattern. Now you see the pattern. Some rules are followed. So which picture is not followed properly? Now you see this picture. 1, 2, it's okay. 3 okay. 4, 5 okay. It is the sixth one you see. The rule is breaking. How you can find the rule is breaking? You see the circle here. Actually next it should come, the circle should come down. But here rule is breaking. You can find the rule breaking here. So there you put the tick mark. The B, second one, umbrella. Slanting, down, then left turn, then position. Again it is a turning. Now you see where the rule is breaking. The last here the rule is breaking. So put a tick mark where the rule is breaking. Second, the birds up, 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 3 up, then 1 down, then 1 up, then 1 down, 1 down, up, down, like that it is there. But here you can see the breaking rule. Here the rule is breaking in this bird. Actually it should be where? Down position, but the rule is break. Now here you see the D, the rule where it is breaking, here the rule is breaking. The third one, it is a rule is, others are, it is systematically, the pattern is, some pattern is followed here, whereas when it comes here the pattern is not followed. Why? Because here you can see the circle, but here inside the circle is not there. Instead of circle, here there is a square. So the rule is breaking here. So that is the answer. It is given in the textbook also. Question number 7. Fill this square using all the numbers from 46 to 54. The total of each line is 150. So add these two number and subtract from 150. So 7 and 2 9 make 9. 5 and 4 make 9. So subtract from 100. When you subtract from 100, you will get 51. So here you can put the number 51. Again you add these two. 51 and 46 add and subtract from 150, you will get 53. You will get 53. Then add 53 and 49. Again subtract from 150, you will get 48. Add 49 and 47 and subtract from 150. Subtract from 150 because the total is 150. So when you subtract 150 from this total, you will get 54. The same way, if you add these two and subtract from 150, you will get 50. So now you can complete the square easily by replacing easily in this way. The rule, adding the given number and subtract from 150. Now using all the numbers from 21 to 29, the total of each side is 75. So here you can put the number in this way. First number you can put it here, 21. 22 you should put diagonally, but there is no place, so it should come down. 22. 23 you should put it diagonally, but there is no place, so you can put it here. 23. Then 24 you have to put diagonally, but there is no place, already 21 occupied in that place, so 24 you can put it here. 24, 25 diagonally you can go. 26, 27 you should go diagonally, but here there is no place, so 27 you can put it down. 28 you should go diagonally, but there is no place, it will go up. 28. So lastly 29 is left out, there you can put it down. Now if you add the first row, you will get 75. 6 plus 1 7, 7 plus 8 15, 5 1 carry, 2 plus 2 6 plus 2 7 plus 6 plus 1 7, 75. If you add it diagonally also, it is 75. This row if you add, it will become 75. So easily how we can fill up this one? First number you should put it in the middle box. Always you should go diagonally, but there is no place. In diagonally there is no box. So what we have to do? Next number 22 you have to come down, and the last box you have to fill up. 23 again you have to go diagonal, but there is no place. So where you have to place? One place, one up, then go left, and the last box you have to fill up. 24 again you have to put it diagonally, but already 21 occupied there, so it should come down. 24, 25, 26 in this order you can put. 27 again you have to go diagonally, but there is no place, so you put it down, one place down and put it there. 28 again you have to go diagonally, but there is no place, so 28 will come here. So last number 29 again you have to go diagonally, no place, so here it will come, the last box it will go. Wherever the number hit in the middle, it will come to the down. So here this rule we can use it to fill the square. This is magic square, you can complete easily. For example, 1 to 9, 1 to 9, the total is 15. How we can fill up? Number 1 you put here, 1. 2 there is no place, diagonally you have to go, but no place, 2 will come down. 3 again you have to go diagonally, but there is no place, so 3 will come here. 4 diagonally you have to go, but no place, 4 down. Again 5 diagonally, 6, 7 you have to go diagonally, but there is no place, so 7 down. 8 you got to go diagonally, so no place, 8 here, last 9. Now you just add all these numbers horizontally. 9, 2 plus 9 11, 11 plus 4 15. So each case it will come 15. 15. Here also it is 15. Here also it is 15. The total horizontally to 15, just a vertical also it is 15 only, adding. So this method you can use it for this 9 numbers. 3 cross 3, 3 cross 3 square, we can say 3 cross 3 square, we can use this rule. Now look at the pattern, hexagon. Each side 2 circle and 1 box. You can see 2 circles and middle 1 box is there. If you multiply the circles number, the square number, I mean the middle number will come. 5 multiplied by 14, you will get 17. 70. 14 7s are 84. Just to multiply the circle number, 7 10s are 70. Then 10 2s are 20. 2 into 13, 26. 13 5s are 65. So the circle number if you multiply, you will get the square number. That is the rule here we are following. So circle number just to multiply, you will get the square number. That is this hexagon pattern. Now you see some patterns are given, hexagon. Now you also make your own hexagon pattern. Now you see here the circle number is there, here also circle, here also circle. So 11 just to multiply 9, 99, like that. Then 9 is there, this number is missing. So how we can find 9 into 11, this number we are getting. Here 6 already we have. So 6 multiplied by 11, 66. This way you can multiply and 7 into 11, 102. 17 into 7, you can multiply 119. So easily you will get the number. So here 8 into this 12, 84. So we can make many hexagon pattern. Here also you can find how the circle numbers multiply the circle number, you will get the middle number. 8 8s are, you can find the middle number 64. Then 8 into 16, 128. 16 into 4, 64. 6 6 are 7. 6 into 13. 13 into 8, you will get the middle number. So the hexagon pattern easily you can complete it. Are they equal? Yes. Here inside star 24. Here also is inside star 24. Inside pentagon 19, here also pentagon 19. 13, here also 37. 37, here also 37. So the pattern are equal. Yes, both of them are equal because we are adding same numbers only on both sides. Only their order is changing. Order is changing but numbers are not changing. So both are equal only. Here that sum is 80. Then if you add these 3, you will get the sum 80. The same way in the second case also. Here also 117. 215. Here also 215. 120. This is also 120. 600. Here also 600. Order is changing. But when your order is changing, addition, the answer will be same. So order does not matter in addition. Now you see fill in the blanks. Question number 11. The spaces in the same way we have tried. Here some numbers are missing. So what is missing here? You can find here star 14. Here also 14 is there. Here left side no, nothing is there. So what is missing here? You can see one square is missing and one circle is missing. One square and one circle. What will be the inside the square? 34 is missing. This 34 is missing. In circle what number is missing? 20 is missing. So the answer for this, you can get it the right side. This is the answer. So the missing number. Here the first one is missing and the third one is missing. Here the middle number is missing. So you can find the middle number 42. Here what is missing? That 42 will come. That you can see 42. Then here diamond, inside the diamond 65. So you can put 65 here. Here 80. Here 80 is the right answer. 80 is the left side. No. So 80 you can put. In this way you can complete. So here 200, 300. Here that number is missing. So you have to put a 200 and 300. You can see the answer 200, 300. The same way we can make our own pattern. Dash plus dash plus dash. You can put any number 10, 40, 50. Right side also 50, 10, 40. Okay, that order you can change, but don't change the number. Now question number, look at this, check if it is true or false, whether it is true or false. Here 48 multiplied by 13, here 13 multiplied by 48. Oh, no problem. 2 multiplied by 3 or 3 multiplied by 2. Both our answer is 6 only. So when you change the order in multiplication, nothing will change in the answer. So 48 multiplied by 13 to 624. Or 13 multiplied by 48 also 6. Their multiplication is equal only. So it is true. Try change this number into special numbers. We are going to change into special number. So take a number 28. Turn it to the reverse order. 28 right, reverse order 82. 82. Then add. So you are getting 110. But this is not a special number. 110 is not a special number because when we reverse its order 0 1 1 only. Now again we add 110, reverse the number, you will get this one 0 1 1. Add this two, you will get 121 is a special number. When we reverse 121, it is a special number. 121, if you reverse it, 121 only. Same way, take the number 132. Turn it to the reverse, 231. Add, you will get 363. So 363 is a special number because when you write reverse order also it is same. The same way we can take another number 273. Reverse the number 3 72, 372. Add the number, you will get 645. It is not the special number. Again reverse the number and add 645, reverse the number, you will get 546. Add these two number, you subtract these two number, you will get 99. So when we reverse it 99, you will get a special number. So 99, when you reverse it, 99 only. So it is a special number. No lemons, no melon. Step not on pets. Did you notice that it reads the same from both sides? Right to left, left to right. Even you can read right to left and left to right. Now try use words in special way. Here, madam. Read right to left, left to right. Both order. Madam is madam only. Reverse order also I only. Race car. Reverse order also it is race car only. A Santa at NASA. A Santa at NASA. So reverse order also some words are same. Just like no lemons, no melon. Now you can select any 3x3 box from your calendar and find the total in the same way. Just you take one calendar, any month calendar, January or February, March or May, April, May, whatever may be the calendar. What you have to do? 3x3, 3 numbers you have to select, 1, 2, 3 number, and put a square inside the 3 number. Now the total of the number without multiplying or without adding, we can find it easily. What is in the middle number? Middle is 11. That middle, just you multiply by 9, you will get 99. The sum of this all the numbers inside the square is also 99. That is the calendar's beauty in this question. What we have to do? First you put one box, the middle number 11, multiply by 9. Why we should multiply by 9? Because there are 9 numbers. So 11 9s are 99. So 99 is the answer for this square. If you add this all the number 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 10 plus 11 plus, if you add, you will get 99 only. So short way we can find the answer. Another calendar. Now you select one calendar 3x3. Now we have selected this calendar. For example, this 3x3. Now what is the middle number? 12. 12 you just multiply by 9. 12 9s are 108. So the sum of the number inside this square is also 108. In that way you can find easily. Now take any number. Now multiply it by 2, 3, 4, etc. At every step also add 3 to it at each step. We are going to add 3 each step. Look at the difference in the answer. What you can see? 12 multiplied by 2 plus 3. 12 multiplied by 2 plus 3, 27. Next 12 multiplied by 3 plus 3, 39. There you see the first row, you can find all the numbers are 12 only. So you can fill up the pattern easily. 12. Here also 12. Here you see number 2, 3, 4, 5, which is missing. 6, 7, 8, 9. Here 3 only, we are going to add all the numbers. Here 12. In that way you can complete the pattern easily. 27, 39, 51, 63, 75, 87. Actually, what is the difference between these two numbers 39 and 27? If you find the difference, 39 minus 27, you will get 12. So the 12 is the difference in each case. 12 we have to add, you will get the next number. Actually, this is a pattern. Add 12, 39 plus 12, 51, 51 plus 12, 63, 63 plus 12, 75. Like that you can find the difference between each number, and actually it is 12. The difference is 12. Adding the 12, you will get the, you can complete the pattern easily. Here also you can add easily. just to find the difference between these two number is 12 and add 12 in each cases. 12 with this 39, 71, 63 plus 12, add, you will get 75. 75 plus 12, you will get 87. Like that you can complete the pattern. Now look at the number, look for the pattern. What pattern is followed here? 9 minus 1 divided by 8 is answer is 1. Next you see 9 8 98 minus 2. Here every case you can see minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, so minus 6, minus 7. You can see the pattern. Here divided by 8, all the numbers are divided by 8 only. Answer, how the answer is coming? 1. First case 1, second 1 2, third 1 2 3, fourth one 1 2 3 4, fifth one what will come? 1 2 3 4 5. Next what will come? 1 2 3 4 5 6. Like that you can extend the pattern. Did you notice some pattern in the following question? Here first you see 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to 10, you will get answer 55. Second from 11 to 20, you will get 155. Next how it will come? 21 to 30, if you add 255. 31 to 40, you will get 355. That is the pattern. The right side you can find the answer. So 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. If you add, you will get 455. Then next answer is given 555. Last is 655. Here you see the succeeding pattern. The final sum is increased by 100. Each case it is increased by 100. 55 plus 100 next number. 155 plus 100. Like that you are getting the pattern. Now take the first two odd numbers 1 3. Now add them. So what you get? Now at every step add the next odd number. How far you can go on? Now 1 plus 3 is answer is 4. Then 4 is nothing, 2 multiplied by 2. Similarly next odd number 1 plus 3 plus 5 9. 9 is nothing, 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9. Next odd number 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7. Answer is 16. 16 can be written as 4 4s are. Next 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 25. 25 is nothing, 5 multiplied by 5. So here next number, if you add you will get to 36. If you add these numbers you will get to 36. 36 is nothing, 6 multiplied by 6. Here you will get, if you add you will get to 49. 7 7s are 49. As there are uncountable or infinite numbers, this pattern will never come to an end. Ask your friends, write down your age. Ask your friends to write their age. Add 5 to it. So here my friend age is 9. What we have to do? Add 5 with 9. What is the answer? 14. Now multiplying this number by 2. 14 multiplied by 2, the answer is 28. Then what we have to do? Subtract 10. So minus 10. So what is the answer? 18. Then what we have to do? Divided by 2. So 18 divided by 2, the answer is 9. So the 9 we are getting the final stage. That is the friend age. Okay, 9. We again get the age of our friend's age as the final answer. Where we have started 9, the end also we are getting 9 only. So this is another pattern. For this, take a number and multiply by 2. For example 10. Multiply by 2 you will get 20. Again multiply by 5 you will get 100. So lastly you divide by 10, you will get the number what we have taken. So the 10 will come again. Similarly take a number and double it. Actually here what we are following rule, double it. 6 double of 6 is equal to 12. Again 12 multiplied by 2, 24. Again plus 6, add 6 to it. So you will get 30. 30 multiplied by 2, 60, divided by 10. So you will get the number which we have taken the beginning. So 6 will come. So these are some patterns, technique we are using in numbers. Now look at this pattern and you can extend the pattern. 1 multiplied by dash, the answer is, you are getting here 1. For example, 1 multiplied by 1 is answer is 1. 121. 11 multiplied by 11, 121. 1 2 3 2 1. Here you can go 111 multiplied by 111. This answer will come. Actually, what the pattern here is a pyramid, just like a triangular pattern. 1 1 2 1 1 2 3 2 1, reverse order. You see 1 2 3 4 3 2 1, 1 2 3 4 5 4 3 2 1, like that it is there. So just you multiply this number 1 1 1 1 1. The pattern is like that. You can extend the pattern in this way. Do you remember this triangle? Here you see. Come now, let's make some magic squares. Fill this square using the all numbers 46 to 54. So here what we are doing, just add these two number and subtract from 150. Add these two number and subtract from 150. 150 minus 99, you will get 51. In this way we can complete the rest of the boxes. Now add these two number and subtract from 150. That is the rule here given. 46 and 51 add and 97 subtracted from 150, you will get to 53. Like that you can complete the square. Thank you.